Hello and welcome to Rupee Rakshak's weekly market update. Let's try to understand how the market moved this week. So Sumant, could you quickly run us through the levels that we should keep an eye on for the upcoming weeks?
Sure, Vijesh.
So let's look at how Indian market performed this week and what are the projections for the upcoming week. So all the major frontline indexes have gained more than 2% this week. Nifty has performed 2.09% positive. Bank Nifty has performed 2.12% positive. Mid-cap index has performed 2.40% positive, and small cap index has performed 4.30% positive. It appears that key catalysts like the ceasefire in the Middle East and optimism on easing trade tensions ahead of the deadline have cleared the clouds in the minds of investors. After consecutive days of selling, FIIs have now turned net buyers in the domestic market, contributing to improved market stability. Also, the oil prices and strengthening INR are influencing investors to focus more on domestic growth. So, the expectations of accelerating earnings are driven by good consumption and a relatively stable economy are further reinforcing the optimism in the Indian market. So, as far as the projections for the next week is concerned, if we look at the support and resistance level. 25,500 looks to be an immediate support, followed by 25,200. As far as resistance is concerned, 26,000 is a strong resistance at this point of time. If we look at the option chains for the current week expiry, looks like 25,500 is a good support, whereas 25,600 looks to be an intermittent support. And on the upside, we are open until 26,000, though we are seeing a small resistance building at 25,900. So for the next week, market is expected to range between 25,500 to 26,000 level. So that's all for this current week analysis. Thank you.
So that's it for today. We'll be back next week with more news and more analysis. Till then, take good care of yourself and happy investing. Thank you.